Hello and welcome guys. Want to delete your Google account? No problem. You are at the right place. In today's video, I gonna simplify the process of deleting a Google account. I will make it simpler for you. My name is Junaid Iqbal and you are watching Techy YouTube channel. Let's jump into the video and delete your Gmail account.
For deleting Google account, here you have to open your Gmail application. After opening your Gmail application, you have to click on the profile icon on the top right corner and select the Google account you want to delete. I want to delete the first Google account, so I will click on the Google account button. This dashboard will appear in front of me. Here I have to click on data and privacy and scroll down till the end. In the end, you can see an option of delete your Google account. Click on it. After clicking on it, some loading will appear and this page will come in front of you. Here Google is asking me to confirm myself and verify myself. I can verify myself with passkey, or you can use another way and use your password. So I will confirm myself with my passkey, so I will click on continue and give my passkey with my fingerprint and verify myself. After this page will appear in front of you. On this page, you have to scroll down and check these boxes, first box and the second box. After checking these boxes, you have to click on delete account to delete your Google account. But if you have some important data in this Google account, you can click on download your data button and download your data before deleting your Google account. I have not any important data in this account, so I will click on delete account button directly. After this, some loading will appear and your Google account will be permanently deleted. But if you have do so mistakenly and you want to recover it, you have very short time period to do so by clicking this recover button. If you lost this page, then you will not be able to recover your Google account and your Google account will be permanently deleted.
For any query, comment down below, and if this video helped you, please click on the like button. Don't forget to support my journey by subscribing my channel and clicking the bell icon. Your Google account is deleted now. If you are feeling sorry for your Google account, you can recreate a new Google account by watching this video. That's it for today's video. It is me, Junaid Iqbal, signing out.